Good afternoon to all of you, and this is lecture related to final year subject, that is electronic switching. First of all, I would like to discuss related to syllabus of this subject. What are mistakes and what will be the planning to cover this subject. As we can see, in the first unit of this subject, it is written as evolution of switching system. It is okay. We will discuss in this part the evolution of switching system. Means we will start from the definition of telecommunication, as well as we will discuss the first telecom which was started, and it was related to a manual switching. Actually, the switching between two subscribers was manual, and in the case when subscriber were increased, it was converted into automatic and all. So all these history related facts and related technologies will also be discussed in this part. And then after this, we will discuss about function of switching systems. Actually, function of switching system. In this, we will discuss about different type of switching system as well as the functioning of switching system. Here, this is related as register transistor senders. This is register translator senders. Actually, it is to be corrected. Register translator senders. It is a type of common control switching system. It is a type of switching system. Actually, it is a type of process to control switching between subscribers, and it was developed earlier with the name crossbar switching. And all these topics, register translator senders, distribution frames, crossbar switch, general trucking nahi, this is trunking, all these are related to electromechanical switching, and particularly crossbar switching, and we can say particularly common control switching system. But in mechanical switching system, there are two type of mechanical switching system. The first one is step by step, or we can say Stroger switching system, because it was invented by Stroger, Mr. Stroger. And the next one is crossbar switching. So we will discuss both the switching techniques, as well as to understand the topics related to switching system. We will also discuss the process steps involved in the calling process, as well as the signals involved in the calling process, because all will be included in the discussion of switching system. So after this, after these topics, we will proceed for electronic switching, and electronic system. Read electronic system is also part of type of crossbar switching. Actually, and then we will discuss digital switching system, and then finally at the end of this first unit syllabus, we will discuss about message switching, circuit switching, as well as packet switching is also missed from the part. So these are the this is the sequence of the topic that will be covered while discussion in the whole syllabus. In the first one is particularly, there are two corrections required. The first correction is register translator senders. This will be called register translator senders. And next one is general trunking. It will be called general trunking. So there are two corrections, and there is some jumble in this sequence of the topics. Actually, This is also required to be in the that process, which is the sequence of evolution. So with this briefing of planning of first unit, I would like to start the lecture related to this subject, and I will open the next PPT for this. Just have to wait some moment. So this is PPT related to circuit switching. We can discuss with the help of this PPT, and the point that are to be discussed with this PPT is the first one is history and evolution of circuit switching, and in that we will discuss about manual, Strauger, register, crossbar system, trunking, electronic and digital switching system. Then we will discuss about introduction to telecommunication traffic engineering, trunking concept, congestion, traffic model, loss call system, traffic performance, loss system in tandem. So these all are the part of discussion, but today we will only focus on the first part, that is history and evolution of circuit switching, PSTN. So PSTN means public switch telephone network. Consists of switching nodes, as we can see in following figure. These are the subscribers connected to the local exchanges, and these local exchanges are connected to local network and some network which are centralized center for the so many local networks. On the basis of that, there will be a local network that will connect customer station to LEEs, local exchanges. Junction network interconnect group of LEEs. Trunk oblique torque toll network provides long distance circuit within country, and of course international network provides circuits between countries. So these are all related terminologies with respect to public switch telephone network. This is some brief focus on PSTN history. The first one, the telegraph system, that was started in 1837 by Whitstone and Morse, and then by well-known personality Alexander Graham Bell. Telephone was invented in 1876, and then automatic switching system came into the picture uh, by Almon Braun Strauger, first patent. And in 1953, C.C. Laws developed theory of switch architectures. A very interesting story related to Strauger. While going through the history, I came to know that Strauger was not a technical person. Actually, Strauger was a type of office man, and he was expert in writing some type of documents. It may be related to official documents, and his earning was dependent on the clients who come for the articles. But when customer call for Stroger, unfortunately there was a operator at the exchange, uh, a lady operator. Her husband was also in that same profession of, as it was related to Stroger. So, operator generally transfer the call to her husband for that particular type of work. When Stroger came to know this happenings, and then he decided to design some automatic switching system. This is very nice story, and definitely जो हम कहते हैं कि आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी है, दैट इट्स ट्रू। उनको आवश्यकता हुई और उन्होंने इसका आविष्कार किया, and then with the help of this the system was automated. Switching system for the telephone was automated, and we will discuss in switching system. Then we will come to know the shortcomings of Stroger switching system, and then after a, a different type of switching system was developed, that was called crossbar switching system. Then traffic theory came into 1902. Digitization started in 1939. Alex Reeves invest PCM leads to digital networks. So all these are some facts related to history. We are not going into the long history. Just to summarize, included this PPT. And now the next one is interesting one. This one was first manual crossbar switchboard. This was manual crossbar. We can understand with the help of this cartoon type of figure. In this figure, a subscriber is calling for a call. Then a man, that is manual operated man, will connect the switch between calling and call party. Call party will be firstly intimated by the manual operator, and then when both are agree at the some particular time, then this operator will connect call between calling and call party, and then on the basis of that the call was possible on that time. And then story related to Stroger that I discussed in previous slide came into the picture, and then Stroger started a new story that was related to Stroger switching system. And this is fully automatic switching exchange we are using for last some decades. And the next we can discuss, we can see with this figure also, this was a type of manual switching, uh, calling subscriber and call subscriber X and Y. When subscriber X call for a call to operator, operator connect, and operator ask for the call party, and then ring to call party. If call party is ready to ready to talk, then operator connect the jacks of subscriber X and Y. In this way, this was a manual operator, and after this uh, Stroger invented a automatic switching system that was of two type, uni selector and two motion selector. I want to show a figure of that particular type of switching system. So there was possibility of actually horizontal movement as well as vertical movement. This is type of uniselector. This is type of uniselector. In this, there is a possibility of movement in horizontal direction. We will discuss in detail in the discussion on functioning of switching system. So this was related to Strauger, and there was one also type of Strauger switching, that switch that was two motion selector. That means it can move vertical as well as horizontal. We will discuss in detail when we will discuss about the functioning of switching system. And this was a type of call setup while using uh, Stogger switching system. And then the term came, what is register? The register receives number dialed by customer and store it for routing decision. If necessary, part of the number is translated into different number. Register that are added to step-by-step exchanges are called director. Register that are added to step-by-step exchanges are called director. It also functions as lookup table for routing purpose. Actually, all will be used and discussed in detail when we discuss about the functioning of switching system. So we are going through just terms related to all, so that it will be comfortable while discussing detailed functioning. This was after the Stogger switching system. The better option was crossbar switch. So this was type of crossbar switch. There was a type of switch between subscriber, and the switch was connected between subscriber who were to be connected for call. All these functions will be discussed in detail in the lecture related to electronic switching. And this was two-stage link network using 10 cross 10 switches. This is related to electronic switching. Electromechanical switches wear out earlier. Electronic devices much more lasting, disregard of the frequency of use. Advances in computer technology. So electromechanical switches were bulky, were require wear and tear as well as were require power. Also, will require maintenance regularly. They were slow, and it was very costly when in the case of large number of subscribers. And that's why the electronics devices is much more lasting disregard of the frequency of use. जितना भी यूज कर लीजिए, उनके परफॉर्मेंस पे कोई फर्क नहीं आना था. And advances in computer technology led to the development of a store program control that offer a wide range of facilities. Ease customization and modification, user control functions such as call bearing, repeat call, last call, reminder call, call diversion, three-way call, charge advise, etc. So these are benefits of electronic switching. In the digital switching system, it was possible when uh, the signal coming from the subscriber was converted into digital signal, and then there was possibility with the help of time division multiplexing as well as pulse code modulation. So these are related terms which I am considering. These are type of switching system. PS3 पोर्टल हिस्ट्री डिजिटाइजेशन 1937 में इसका डिजिटाइजेशन हुआ, और वहाँ से पॉसिबल हुआ कि हम PS3 से भी डिजिटल सिग्नल्स को ट्रांसमिट कर सकते हैं, हम टाइम डिवीजन मल्टीप्लेक्सिंग कर सकते हैं, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिवीजन मल्टीप्लेक्सिंग कर सकते हैं. And initially a tandem exchange has mixture of PCM analog order, PCM terminal equipment. So many topic has to be discussed related to digital switching system, local exchange, and then there was term related to tele-traffic engineering. So these all will be discussed in coming lectures and numerical will be solved. So with brief introduction of the syllabus, I am going to conclude lecture here. Thank you so much.